So today we'll see one more concept on the file system only, how to write or how to append a existing file that is available on the system. Okay, so yesterday I told you how to write a file and how to read a file. Correct me if you're wrong. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so now you already have a file called as output.txt, correct? Now instead of this, just to go and put a plus called as append, or just put a. Okay, a plus is going to be called as, you can do both read, append and write. So you can do all three operations. So here what I'll do here is file with new data. Okay, so let's go here. Now see here what happened. It is start getting appended with the new data. Okay, so but if you see here, if you observe here, what is happening? It is appending with the existing line only. I am not able to bring the new data in the new line. So how can I write that? All you want to do here is just go back. Okay, all you want to do here is just go back and put your backward slash n there and start writing here. It is coming like this only. Yes, it is writing into the new line. Okay, so let me put here something else. Why it is not taking into the new line?
Maybe we need to put it in the beginning of the line. Slash n.
Yes, that is what you already have this. Now wait. Let us run this again. I'll tell you I got it. So let me clear this. Okay, now I have wrote something here, but for this line that I written manually, I haven't give a enter here. I stopped it like this only. Okay, now my current cursor position is available at the end of my existing line only. So now if I run this, now what happened? This line will go and append to the existing line. This new line is going to have a return new line. So again, if you try to run this, so from the third time onwards, if you go and observe here, the third line will be in the new line. Okay, now again if I go and run this, I can go and see a new line is getting appended. See, make sense? Clear?
Pratap, can you remove that and put this slash n in the beginning? We'll see how that will.
This one?
Yeah.
A new line here, extra line is coming here, right? See?
Yeah. If you remove that, everything, and then remove the slash n at the end. Okay. Put something else.
Here?
Remove the slash n at the end. And then,
Extra line will be coming anyhow. See?
So from there to print. Okay.
Clear? Now, how can I create a folder? How can I create a folder on any system? How can I create a folder on any system? So, any questions can move on? So, there is a package called as OS. There is a package called as OS. So, this one is going to help you to create your folders. This one is going to help you to create your folders. Okay. So, I am going to use my file path is equal to. So, in my project folder, under my project root folder, I need to identify if there is a folder called as output is available or not. Okay. Or I want to create if a folder is, I want to create a folder with the name called as output. I want to create a folder called as output. So how can I create a folder in Python using OS package? Okay. So what you want to do here is os.mkdir, just pass your file path here. Got it? Clear? Right? So let me execute this. Now if you see here, under your project somewhere a output folder will be created. Okay. Now 1 second, yes, someone is calling. 1 second. Vishnu, ఇంట్లోనే టైం ఎంతరా? 7:30 కూడా కాదు, ఇంకా 8:30 కదా. నువ్వు వీటికి వచ్చేసి 8కి వచ్చేసి 8:30. 8:30కి వచ్చేసి 8 కల్లా వచ్చేసి 8:30 కాదు, 8 కల్లా వచ్చేసి. Yeah. So I was telling you how to create a folder under your project directory, right? So now I want to create a folder structure in a tree hierarchy. So under output, I want to create something called as results, or I will call it as automation results. I want to create a folder called as output. Under that, I want to create automation results folder, subfolder. Okay, let me run this. I am getting an error called as no such file directory. So mkdir means make directory. Make directory. So it is going to help you to create only one directory. If I want to create the tree structure, I want to use the method called as mkdirs. Mkdirs. Okay. So run this. You can able to see output is created with a inner folder called as automation results. Make sense, everyone?
Yes.
Right? Now I want to check if this folder structure is available or not, or if this folder is available or not. How do I check? I want to check if a folder is available there or not. How do I check? How? Okay. So let's see. there is a command called as print os dot path dot exists of pass your file path. So it will return you a true or false. If the folder is exist, you will get a true. Now let me rename this output 1 to something else. Output to output 1. Now I should get it as a false because that folder is, my god, why? Okay, it changed here, right? Let me change here. Now I should get it as false because the output folder itself is not there, so that I am going to get it as false. So if you want to check if a folder is exist or not, in such cases we'll be using your os.path.exist. Got it? Clear? Any questions?
No.
Right? So now I want to get my current project path. I want to get my current project path. How do I get that? Okay, so there is a method available called as os.getCWD. CWD stands for get current working directory. So where exactly you are going to work, you are working in. So I am working in this particular folder with this folder. So where is this folders, right? Somewhere I have created. Yes, this is where I am working in. My file is located under this folder called as folders. Make sense? Clear? Get CWD. Got it? Clear? Everyone? Now, so here I am trying to create different files under my automation results. Can you see how many files are there? I don't know how many files are I don't know how many files are located there. Okay, I'm not sure, but I want to get I want to get all the files that are available there. How can I get? How can I get all the list of files available there? Right? Can we see this? So use OS module only. Okay. So there is a method available called as os dot where it is going in. No, I need to go path os dot os dot list dir. List dir will give you the entire files that are available. Okay, so easy to get all the list of files and directories, not only not only your files but also your directories also. Let me create direct folders there. So I'm going to create folder 1. I'm going to create folder 2 and I'm going to create folder 3. Okay, now this method should give me the list. Okay, so it has given me the entire list, but you guys are not able to see what is available in that output. So how to do that now? It's very simple. Let's see that. So to get or to print each and everything, so what I want to do here is for I in os dot listdir. So whatever that I'm going to get from this output, I'm going to print one by one. I'll show you, then you'll understand how this is going to be work out. Why this is not taking output is there? Yes. Os dot list dir, we are not passed this, sorry. Now see here, we are able to get each and every file. So the mistake is we didn't give the file path here. If you are not going to give the file path, it will take the current script file directory only. So that's the reason we saw only underscore underscore init underscore underscore dot py. Okay, now I have given my file path here. Are you able to see? You got all the files here. Azim, Asha,
Yeah.
can you
Yes,
see?
right. Yes.
Okay, now out of this you guys needs to help me to print only file names. I don't want to get folders. How many folders are there totally? How many folders? F1, F2, F3 are 3 folders available. We need to skip these 3 folders and we need to print only the file names. So it means that I need to check if this I is a file or if this I is a folder. Okay, shall we see that? Os dot path dot is file, just pass your I here. Okay, so just run this. So everything is coming as a file as false. Wait. Now see. So what I did here, can you see here? I am taking that entire file path plus I am appending the I value there. So see here first what is going to be happen. If I use only I, see what I am going to get. If I use only I, what I will get? Only the file name I will get. I won't get the path. Can you see? I'll get only the file name. I won't get the path. So now if I want to check if this abc.html is a file or not, I want to give the entire path. Then only my method will help me to check if the given input is a file or a directory. Got it? Yes, no, yes or no? If os dot is file, then print of I. Now see, only files I'm getting. If not, then I'll be getting only folders. Check this. Anyone? Any questions? Anna Sinana, clear? లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఫైల్స్ ఒక ఫోల్డర్లోనే ఫైల్స్ తీసుకురావడానికి.
Yeah, yeah,
రైట్. యా.
yeah.
నౌ లెట్స్ సీ guys, you take any programming language, file system will take some time to understand. If you are not doing it thoroughly, you won't remember this. We have to practice.
Because a lot of things are there to remember. So we need some more time to practice.
Yeah, file system you have to remember.
Yeah.
Because your day in day out activities, especially DevOps, I don't know, people who wants to aspire into DevOps side, they have to know file system very badly. So once you understand, right, that will be very easy. Remember that under this package, I was manipulating the syntax here and there, if you remember. Only to create a new folder, I'll be using os.mkdir or mkdirs. Rest of the things, if you want to check if the file is exist or not, or if I want to get if I want to check if that is a file or not, if it is a directory or not, I have to append this OS package with a class called as path. Remember?
Yeah.
Got it? Right? Okay. So that is a small thing that we have to remember. Next one. Sometimes people are very clever. They'll be giving a syntax like this. Okay. This thing they asked me to do in Java. Okay. t2.txt, t3.txt. So now we have 3 folders, F1, F2, F3. Make sense? Right?
Mm.
Now they will be asking you to print each and every file that is available under each and every folder. How do you do that? They are asking you to fetch each and every file that is available under each and every folder. How? Is it possible or not?
Possible.
How?
First, we need to fetch all the folders.
Okay.
Then
Go one by
inside
one.
each folders, we need to.
Shall we go one by one? Okay. Now tell me, what is the method that I want to use to get all the list of folders? os dot list dir.
This
Okay. For folder in os dot list dir. Okay, I have to pass my file path here. Right? Now I might have files also, right? I might have files also. If os dot, I want to check if that coming, I will call it as data. If the upcoming data is, if the upcoming data is folder, then only I have to, now tell me, os dot path is dir of, I want to append my file path plus my data. Okay. Now what I want to do, I'll be checking. So print off my data. Now I'll be getting all the file names. F3, F2, F1. Now tell me, how can I got all the folders, correct? Now, how do you know what is the file that is available inside that particular folder?
We need to fetch the files for every folder. Where is that path? That is file.
Okay. How? Again, you have to write inside for loop, right? Again.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's too tedious. You have to write recursion. Okay. So Python made your life very easy. In Java, no other way, man. We have to write recursion only. We have to call same method again to get each and every file. Okay. So, but Python made your life very easy with a command called as walk command. What is that? Walk command. Okay. So let us see what is that is going to do. So walk is going to generate the file names in a directory tree by walking the tree either top down or from bottom up. Guys, 1 second. Yes. Okay. So there is a method called as walk method. Okay, which is going to help you to traverse the entire file structure. Okay, file structure in the sense that entire tree structure, no matter how many folders are available inside with inside. So this walk is going to help you to generate all the file names available in a directory. Okay, so let's see how that is going to help you. The syntax is going to be little different here. Okay, let's see that now. So first what we'll do here is we have to use your for loop. Okay, root comma dirs directories and files. So traverse I want to traverse each and every directory and file that are available. How? By walking through each and every folder in level. Okay, taking the path where in os dot walk. Okay, os dot walk, I'll be giving my root folder, the top root folder. Okay, clear? So the approach is top down approach. I have to scroll, traverse from top to bottom. Got it? Clear? So now print, I'll print my root, whatever the root that is coming from. At the same time I'm going to print my directories that I'm going to get, and I'm going to print my files as well. So I'm going to get the root folder as well as directory that is available and as well as the file that are available there. Okay, and once it is got printed, I'll be giving a comma separated here. Yeah. Now see here, let's go. First I got my F3, F2, F1 as one of the top folders, and then inside this, which one? Under this there is no files available, so that's the reason we got an empty one. And then it took F3. Okay, after it went to F3, it brought me t3.txt. Okay, there is no folder available. That's the reason you're going to see your empty list there. Can you see? Does it make sense? Clear? Everyone? Ajay?
Yes. Yeah.
Yes, brother.
Yes. Now, if you go to F1, we're able to get the files. So let's make little complex of this F1 again. Okay. I'm going to create one more directory called as F1, 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 F2. Okay. And under this, I'm going to create F1, F2 dot txt. Okay. Now let's see whether this walk is going to help us to traverse inner level folders as well. So you are getting confused with this DIRS? No, right? Under this particular
No.
folder, automation results, we are able to get 3 folders, right? So this is the root, the path. Okay, under that there are no folders available. There are folders available, but there are no files. Now it took F3. F3 though you have only files, there is no directories. Again it took F2. F2 though you have only files but no directories. And again F1. F1 you have a folder called as F1 F2 and you have a file called as abc.txt. Now under this F1 it has to go to F1 F2. See here. Inside this we don't have directories, but it took your file names. Ma clear? Everyone. See, this is very simple, right? You are not confusing anywhere. Walk method is going to help you to traverse down each and every folder and get even the data that is available inside the subfolders. Make sense? Clear?
Yes, brother.
Clear. Okay, now. Now see here, I'm going to get each and every folder that is available here. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do here is, I forgot to give this forward slash here. Okay. Now, what I did here is file path plus F. Okay. Now see here what happened. It is wrong or right to give like this the folder path? Wrong, right?
Yeah.
Yes.
So what I want to do, I want to give a forward slash. But again, I don't know whether in my target I have given this forward slash or not. So I have kept this entire path in different file. Okay. Now what I did, again I have given my forward slash again. See here. Either that is wrong or this is wrong. Both the ways are wrong, right?
Yes.
So you have to define your path correctly. How to do that? How to do that? So if you want to define your path correctly, right, we have to set our path. We have to set our path. So see here, path is equal to os dot path dot join. What is that? os dot path dot join. use your file path, comma, your F. Now print it. Print your path. You don't need to worry if you have given that or not, no matter, it will give you the right path. Though you are going to give your forward slash here, it will ignore it and it will give the right path. Even in C sharp, we have the same thing. Path dot join. Do you know that? In your UI path, you will be doing this. No, not sure.
No, Pratap. I'm not there.
It is there, dude.
But in UiPath, we have a different method to get the files and the records.
See, OS, the file system is always same in C sharp also, right? The methods might be different. Approach is always the same.
Okay.
Okay, clear? Any questions? No, right? Shall move on to next one?
Yes.
So I have a file here called as data.txt. Now I want to copy this data.txt. I want to copy this data.txt into F2 folder. I want to copy this data.txt into where? Wait, copy absolute path. Okay. So I want to copy this entire data I will be giving it as source. Source is equal to automation results data.txt. Okay, now I want to place this folder into my destination. Destination is equal to this one. Wait. Destination is equal to under the same path. Under same path. Where I want to keep under my F2. Okay, so I want to tell this data copy dot txt. So I want to rename my file. Okay, I want to copy the file from here to here. So how do I copy a file? How do I copy my file? See, copy is different, move is different. Okay, how do I copy my file? Any idea? Okay, so now OS is not having that capacity, dude. We have to use one more package called as shuttle. What is that? Shuttle. We have to use one more package called as shuttle. Okay, now see, shuttle dot, if there is a tree, you have to use your copy tree. Okay, else use your copy to, this is going to be hard copy. It will move the file from one source to destination. Okay, so first you have to tell that what is your source and tell that what is your destination. Now see, data copy.txt, it went. Okay, now I want to move my file altogether. I want to delete my file. So delete means this file will be deleted from your automation results and it will move into where? F2. See, it deleted. Yeah, clear? Okay, clear? Anyone?
Yeah.
Any questions? No, right? Now I want to delete my F3 folder. I want to delete my F3 folder. Okay, I want to delete my, I repeat you again. Okay, first let's see how to delete a file, and then we'll see how to delete a folder. Check.abc, check.txt. Okay, let's try to delete a, one second. Let's try to delete a file called as check.txt, check.txt, which is called as src here. Okay, let's see this one. So to delete a file directly, you can use os dot remove. There is a method called as, what is that? Remove. So which one I want to remove? I want to remove my src. Whatever I have given the path here, I want to remove that. Fine, it removed. Now similarly, what I'll do here is I'll try to remove my folder. Okay, observe it properly. See what is going to be happen. It will throw an error. What is that error?
Permission.
So remember that you can delete a empty directory. You can delete a empty directory without any folders. See, I have created a folder called as D here. I created a folder called as D. Okay. Now I can remove a empty folder. Oh, D is also not allowing. Okay. So okay. So os.remove is not allowing you to delete a folder. So how to remove that folder? How can we delete that folder? Okay. Now OS is not going to help you to delete a folder. To delete a folder, we have to take the help of your shuttle. Okay. What is that? Shuttle.rm tree. Pass your path. It will do hard delete. It will do a hard delete. Though there is files available or not, no matter, it will do a hard delete. Make sense? Clear? Any questions? Clear? Azim, Asha?
Yes, Pratap, clear.
Right? Yeah. So when can we meet tomorrow? What time? What is your preferable time tomorrow? Possible, not possible?
For me, evening is not possible tomorrow and
Okay. Asha, you? I want
Pratap,
time to practice.
no, can we continue from Monday?
Hmm. I sense you are not feeling well.
Yes, I'm not well actually.
Even entire my whole family is down, sick down with. I brought my cough and cold, and it was attacked for everyone.
Okay.
Yeah. Do take care. So do let me know if you need any queries. If you have any queries, we'll see.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Yeah. So, but don't skip on Monday. See, unless I am going to cancel the class, you should not cancel the class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Do take care. Bye.
Okay.
okay. Thank you.